Craving something sweet and savoury? Let's make a delicious, vibrant jaggery rice that's sure to impress. Let's make it. Start by rinsing 1.5 cups of rice under hot water. Take ½ cup of almonds and place them in a bowl. Soak almonds in hot water, or simply microwave it for a minute to peel. And set the bowl aside for later use. In a pot, add 2 to 3 cups of water and place it on low flame. Once the water begins to heat up, add 2 cardamom pods and 3 to 4 cloves for added fragrance. Next, add the washed rice to the pot. And season with 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, adjusting the amount based on your preferred servings. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of yellow food colouring, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of red food colouring to the pot. Stir gently to mix the colours evenly. Allow the rice to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, checking periodically to ensure it absorbs the colour and is fully cooked. While the rice is cooking, place 1 cup of heaped jaggery. You can adjust quantity as per your taste. Some people like it more sweet, so you can increase the quantity up to 1.5 cup. Put the jaggery in a pan on a low flame with a little water. Stir gently to combine. And let it melt into a smooth mixture. In another pan, add 6 tablespoons oil in a pan over low flame. Add 4 to 5 pressed cardamom pods to the pan, allowing the flavours to infuse into the oil. Once the cardamom aroma fills the air, strain all the melted jaggery through a sieve into this pan. Add raisins to the pan and stir gently to combine. Carefully add the coloured, boiled rice into the pan, mixing it well with the jaggery paste and raisins. Add the blanched almonds to the mixture, ensuring they are evenly distributed. Cover the pan and let it cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes on low flame, allowing the flavours to meld together. Once the jaggery rice is ready, serve it onto plates. Garnish with additional walnuts and blanched almonds according to your preference. Your jaggery rice is ready. Serve it up and enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more delicious ideas.